Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into novosabe.com, an online shopping hub that claims to be your next destination for casual shoes, sneakers, and fashionable accessories. At first glance, it looks like your typical lifestyle store, but we're here to figure out if it's a legitimate business or just another digital trap waiting for your credit card info. First, let's talk about the domain history. Records show this site was registered in October 2025, making it so new it's practically from the future. While being the new kid on the block isn't a crime, it does mean they have zero track record, which is usually the first sign that you might be the guinea pig in their grand experiment. Next, we took a look at the products, which actually look decent until you realize they aren't theirs. A quick reverse image search reveals that most of these stylish photos were shamelessly lifted from other websites. Apparently, taking original photos was too much work for a company that wants your hard-earned money. If they can't even be bothered to own a camera, you have to wonder if they actually own the inventory they're selling. It's a classic case of copy-paste entrepreneurship that should make any shopper break into a cold sweat. The red flags keep waving when we move to customer support. Novosabe.com boasts about live chat and email support, but live is a strong word for a bot that has the personality of a brick wall. When we dug deeper into their Facebook page, things got even weirder. Their physical address points to a residential house rather than a business office, and their phone number appears to be recycled from an entirely different website. Nothing inspires confidence quite like a fashion empire being run out of someone's spare bedroom using a borrowed phone line. The About Us page is another masterclass in saying absolutely nothing. There are no names, no photos of the team, and no backstory. Just a void where transparency should be. Most real brands like to brag about who they are. But here, the founders are more elusive than a pair of sneakers that actually look like the pictures. This total lack of identity makes it nearly impossible to trust that there's a real human on the other end of your transaction. Finally, let's look at the reviews, or the lack thereof. The site itself is a ghost town for feedback, so we headed to Trustpilot. They have a 3.2-star rating, which sounds okay until you realize it's based on a single one-star review claiming the site sells worthless replicas. Even Reddit, the land of infinite opinions, has absolutely nothing to say about them. With a future-dated domain, stolen images, and a bot for a receptionist, the verdict is clear. We strongly suggest you proceed with extreme caution or, better yet, find a store that actually exists in reality. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to help us keep the lights on.